If there's one thing you can say about Xbox, it's that it's wholeheartedly embraced backward compatibility. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Xbox is launching more titles with backward compatibility for original Xbox console games on PC. Microsoft says while it's starting slow with only 4 games, more will come over time. Now, Blinx, The Time Sweeper, Conker, Live and Reloaded, Crimson Skies, and Fusion Frenzy are available to purchase and play on PC and are included in Xbox Game Pass. If you already own them digitally on Xbox, then the license carries over to PC as well, so you can just download them and start playing. Apart from this, Microsoft has included a slew of new graphics settings and options that weren't available on console. This includes up to 4 times resolution upscaling, VSync support, full screen and window display modes, anisotropic filtering, and enhanced anti-aliasing. This marks the beginning of a broader effort to preserve Xbox games from the past and bring them to PC over time. The Xbox team is also working to add achievements to classic Xbox games, with these first 4 games set to get them in the coming months. This is an interesting move as the current gaming market is becoming more digital. Sony recently announced that it's ending physical disc production for PlayStation games in 2028, so preserving the games is just the right thing to do. It's unclear if Microsoft will do the same or not, but focusing on backward compatibility is potentially a good sign for those who want to carry their game collections to the future Xbox consoles. The next Xbox console, codenamed as Project Helix, will also be played both Xbox and PC games. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.